On the Mitch Rich Show, issues are highlighted. Dr. Michelle E. is changing lives, yeah. On the Mitch Rich Show.
Well, welcome to the Mitch Rich Show, and today we're here at the Lauderhill Performing Arts Center, where Vice Mayor Denise Grant is hosting a food truck festival. As you can hear the music in the background, there's a lot of vibes going on. So we're here just celebrating small business in the month of May, Small Business Month. So we have several food trucks. We're gonna have entertainment. We're gonna have a lot of persons who are gonna give giveaways. We have other businesses that are being on here this evening. So come on out and celebrate with us, you know, as we thank Vice Mayor Denise Grant for doing what she does best, hosting and supporting our own city, the city of Lauderhill. God bless you. We'll be right back after the break. Are you a kind, caring, and committed person? If you are, here at Linden Nursing Services, we're seeking home health aides, CNAs, LPNs, and RNs. Come and join our team of professional caregivers today. Not only are we the best in the business, but we deliver services of the highest quality. Give us a call today. We are waiting to hear from you. 561-434-5005, or visit us on our web at lindennursing.com. Well, welcome back to the Mitch Rich Show. We're here at the Lauderhill Performing Arts Center parking lot with none other than the host, none other than the beautiful host to the most, Vice Mayor Denise Grant. How are you doing, Vice Mayor?
I am doing very well, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing good. Thank you for such a phenomenal event. And we're just excited. What prompted you to do this event?
Well, May is considered to be Small Business Month in the city of Lauderhill, and we wanted to be able to promote our small businesses. As a result of that, we know that food trucks are businesses too, and oftentimes they're overlooked and ostracized. So we wanted an event that would be able to just be dedicated just for them.
So how did you go about getting the food trucks?
Well, there's actually a food truck organization, which is very interesting. So they do all of the vetting process, but we wanted to focus on local food trucks that come out of the city of Lauderhill. And if we don't have enough, then we go to the surrounding areas. But number one was the city of Lauderhill business owners.
Well, thank you so much. Give a shout out to the city, to the mayor, and all the persons that are in attendance. Go right ahead and speak in the camera.
Absolutely. I just want to say thank you to everyone who has come out to support this great initiative. We could not have done this without the support of the entire city, the entire commission, which includes our mayor, which includes our city manager and our deputy city manager. So we just want to say that this is really not just about having a good time at a party, but this is for a purpose. We want these businesses to succeed, and this is a part of that initiative. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much, Vice Mayor, and for an awesome event. God bless you. The Mitch Rich Show is a weekly program that airs Mondays at 7 p.m. via GetVisionTheTV.com and addresses while providing solutions to topical issues globally. We believe that supporting our communities is a cornerstone of our existence, and therefore we want to use this opportunity to let everyone know we are here to satisfy all your advertising and marketing needs, including partnering and sponsorships. Don't hesitate. Call us or email us today. You can also reach us through our various social media platforms at IG, we are Get Vision TV, YouTube, Get Vision TV Official, and Facebook, Get Vision TV.
On the Mitch Rich Show.